let's check and see what's inside the Essence A Little Christmas Wonder advent calendar. She's cute. She's purple. She's not heavy. She's not too big. She's $50 at Ulta. There will be a link in my profile. She's got a little double snap flap going on. I'm going to open up the book. Oh, she a pop-up book. Oh, look how cute this is. I'm not aesthetic. You know, like the people that do like the satisfying? That's all you guys are going to get, okay? Product number 1 is the Essence Jelly Cheek Tint. A pink product. Oh, hello. Never mind. This is like a nice mauve-y. Oh, I like that. Product number 2 is a lip scrub. Look at this. It's got some exfoliating properties in there. Smells soft. You hear the noise. Product number 3 is an eye jumbo crayon. This is a beautiful kind of champagne. Oh, look at the shimmer on that one. It's pretty. I like to use things like this as like a highlighter. Okay, I'm tweet. Oh, she's soft because look at what I just did when I dropped it. That's gorgeous though, but product number 4 is an eyeshadow blender brush. Cute. Product number 5 is a moisturizing hand butter cream. Oh, she's sealed, so I'm not going to open her. Product number 6 is a cute star lip balm. Product number 7 is a brow wax pen. I've never tried something like this before. Now I have. Number 8 is a package of lash spoolies here. I'm just going to put these right in my drawer. These are the nice rubber reusable cleanable ones. Number 9 is a Kajal pencil in this beautiful purpley taupe color. Look at that there. That's got a little shimmer to it too. Their products are mad soft, bro. Number 10 is a package of hair clips. I don't think I could ever do the trend. You know the trend where girls clip their hair back like this on both sides? I don't think that trend is for me. But these are gorgeous. Number 11 is a sparkly nail polish top coat. Number 12 is a blush highlighter. This is gorgeous. This is in the shade, it might be in the shade Ebbed. That's gorgeous. Number 13 is little baby concealer sponges. Look at these. Oh my God, these look like giant earplugs. Realistically though, I don't think so. Realistically, I just don't think so. Day 14 is a sponge case. A holder for your beauty blender when traveling. I actually really like this. I didn't even know that these existed, but I do like this because I feel like my beauty blenders are just wild out in the wild. 15 is some cute nail stickers. Ooh, number 16 is a nice setting powder, and these do have little Christmas trees on them. 17 is a powder puff. I do love these. Yep, this is a good one. I love these to set in the corners under my eyes because they're nice and sharp. Number 18 is a nail buffer. Number 19 is a beautiful nail polish. Look, it's the color of the nail polish I have on right now. It's not this brand what I have on right now, but it's just literally the same exact color. I love colors like this. Number 20 is a cute Juicy Balm Christmas lip gloss, it says. It smells fruity. Oh, with the lip combo. Oh my God, it smells really good. Was that 20? Oh, here's 21. 21 is Hydrogel Unicorn eye patches. They look like seahorses. 22 is a highlighter stick in a gorgeous champagne color. 23 is a face mask. Last but not least, 24 is a lip glaze. So I'm excited to try that on. This is a great budget-friendly option for an advent calendar that isn't doing too much. If you made it to this point in the video, comment Happy Christmas, Happy Christmas. So I know you're an OG who watches all the way until the end. Let me know what you think of this bad boy.